Hello, everyone. So, I've been meaning to talk to you about insurance coverage gaps. And the reason why this subject is important because this is something that oftentimes an insurance agent or even an underwriter may not catch. And the reason for that is that hardly ever at all do agents come out to your home anymore. You send them a picture from one of these websites or your own picture. They go to Zillow, they go to your county auditor's office, they look on Google for a picture of your home, and they go, oh, okay, it's made out of this, right? And when I say made of, I'm talking about the structure of your home, whether it's made out of frame, whether it was built using stucco, whether is a slab, whether it has a basement, whether it was made out of solid brick or brick veneer. So the reason why this is important is because when we determine how much insurance you should have on your home or your building, the way that we determine that is through replacement costs. The way that we find out what your replacement cost is we put some information into a tool called a replacement cost tool. Okay. Sometimes we don't even need to do that. Sometimes we will pull up your information or your home, and all that information will already be populated in a replacement cost tool from another user that may have looked it up years ago or something like that, right? And there's other ways that they can get that information. So if the insurance agent that you're dealing with is not a little bit construction savvy and they don't know the difference between the different types of homes and how they're built or the different types of materials, and they have not been out to your home or they have asked you and you don't know anything about construction or material, or you're wrong, they can put down that your home is made out of stucco or brick or frame or solid brick or brick veneer. And there's a plethora of other options, right? Here's where the problem comes in. To replace a home made out of brick veneer, it may cost $200,000. To replace a home made out of solid brick, it may cost $400,000, right? So if looking at your home through a website, pictures you sent, or just taking your word for it, or it being entered into a system and the person has not been to your home, or they don't even know the difference between brick veneer and solid brick, they can put your home down as a brick veneer home, give you a replacement cost policy with the replacement cost amount at $200,000. Your house can be totally destroyed. It may be solid brick. If it is solid brick and you need to have it rebuilt and you want another solid brick home, or your home built just like it was before it got destroyed, you will not have enough money to replace that home unless your policy includes extra coverage, or maybe they have a percentage over your replacement cost. But typically, or I'd say maybe about 50% of the times, that is an optional coverage. And a lot of times when we are telling people we want to keep our policy as low as possible, or when insurance agents are competing for the lowest price, they will not give you that extra coverage. They will just give you replacement costs. If someone in that process, whether it be you, the underwriter, Google, the replacement cost tool, or just anyone in that process is incorrect with the type of building or home that you have, the material that it is built out of, you could end up not having enough money to replace your home. Imagine that. Doesn't sound good, right? And yes, we can sue, but who in the hell wants to sue when you can just get the right policy on the right material or construction type up for your home and just have everything done the correct way? And if something happens to your home, you are simply given the money that you need to replace your home, right? So be careful when you get your homeowner's insurance policy, that you know and your agent knows exactly what type of material your home is made out of, especially if it is some higher end material or something that costs more to replace. I hope that helps you. Have a great night. My next video is going to be about coverage gaps in an auto policy with specialty vehicles.